In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Premiere Pro using the Creative Cloud desktop app. Keeping your software up to date is crucial, not only for accessing the latest features and tools, but also for ensuring that your projects run smoothly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process together and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Premiere Pro. First, you'll want to open the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is your gateway to all Adobe applications and their updates. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side where you'll find the Apps tab. It's the place where all your installed Adobe apps are listed, making it easy to manage them from one central place. As we move forward, locate Premiere Pro in your list of installed apps. Here's a handy tip. The list is usually organized alphabetically, so finding Premiere Pro should be a straightforward task. Now, next to Premiere Pro, if there's an update available, you'll see an Update button. This shows that Adobe has released a new version and it's ready for you to download. Go ahead and click that Update button. Once you do, the Creative Cloud desktop app will begin downloading and installing the update for Premiere Pro. This process can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. During this time, it's essential to avoid closing the app or turning off your computer to ensure a smooth installation. Once the download and installation process are complete, you can launch Premiere Pro. At this point, you'll be running the latest version, equipped with new enhancements, bug fixes, and possibly even some exciting new features. Keeping your software fresh like this improves your editing experience and maintains compatibility with new file formats or technologies. As an optional step, after launching Premiere Pro, you might want to verify that you are indeed running the latest version. On Windows, navigate to the Help menu and select About Premiere Pro. If you're using a Mac, you'll go to the Premiere Pro menu and choose About Premiere Pro. This will display a window with the version details, confirming that your update has been successfully applied. And there you have it. Updating Premiere Pro through your Creative Cloud desktop app is a simple task that ensures you're always armed with the latest tools for your creative projects. Keeping your software up to date minimizes glitches and errors while maximizing performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain the most effective workflow possible.